Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious white sauce pasta. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of your preferred pasta, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of whole milk, and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Also, have some salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg on hand. Make sure you have a medium saucepan and a whisk ready to go. Now, let's create the foundation of our white sauce, the roux. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in your saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir continuously for about 1 to 2 minutes. You'll notice it transform into a smooth, light golden paste with a pleasant, nutty aroma. This step is crucial for a lump-free, flavorful sauce. Next, we'll achieve that wonderfully creamy consistency. Slowly pour in 2 cups of whole milk, whisking constantly to prevent any lumps from forming. Continue to whisk as you bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. The sauce will gradually thicken as it heats. Once it reaches your desired consistency, season it with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a small pinch of nutmeg for extra depth. Finally, let's bring it all together. Remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese until it's completely melted and the sauce is smooth. Now, add your freshly cooked pasta directly into the sauce. Toss everything gently to ensure every strand is beautifully coated. Serve your delicious white sauce pasta immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a little extra Parmesan. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.